A young man went to the new mega mall looking for a job. The manager asked, "Do you have any sales experience?" The young man answered, "Yeah, I was a salesman back home in Dallas." The manager liked him and gave him the job. At the end of his first day, the manager came down and asked, "Okay, so how many sales did you make today?" The salesman said, "One." The manager groaned, "Just one? Our salespeople average 20 or 30 sales a day. How much was the sale for?" $124,000. The manager choked and asked, "What the hell did you sell him?" "Well, first I sold him a small and a medium fish hook, a fishing rod. Then he told me he was going fishing down at the coast, so we went down to the boat department, and I sold him that twin-engine yellowfin. Then he said he didn't think his Kia Soul would pull it, so I took him over to car sales and I sold him the 4x4. The manager said, "You mean to tell me, a guy came in here to buy a fish hook and you sold him a boat and a 4x4? No, actually he came in here to buy a box of tampons for his girlfriend, and I told him, since his weekend is pretty well screwed, he might as well go fishing."